Hi guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be featuring some new products that I will be adding to my website, 1111 Beauty. That is my beauty brand's name, and I've been mentioning it for a long time. Every video that I've been putting out, you know, I mention my brand, so I'm pretty sure if you're a subscriber or a watcher, if you're watching me a lot and you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and hit subscribe. But I mentioned that I do have a beauty brand where I sell mink lashes, press-on nails, lip gloss, lash accessories, and I am actually adding a new item, a new type of product, and I've mentioned this is synthetic wigs. So you know my channel is all about synthetic wigs, very affordable, very easy to wear, throw on a go styles, or just styles like you can style them just like you would human hair, without the maintenance that's required. And then once you're done, you can just toss it without even thinking about it, because the cost is like half or a portion, a fragment of what a human hair wig would cost. So I do have 4 styles that I did purchase. They are limited quantity because I want to see how these sell. They do sell really well. I will be adding more styles with bigger quantities to the website. But let me go ahead and get into each style, tell you the information, and yes, and at the end of the video, I will tell you when they'll be available for purchase. So the first style I have, her name is Cece, and she is a long burgundy wig. It is dark rooted, but the one thing I love about the dark root is that it doesn't start down here. I really hate dark roots that start too far down. This dark root is so perfect. It's a very natural, nice gradient to the burgundy dark root. Definitely a 1B though for the dark root. And this is a T-part wig, so she does have some room in the front to pluck if you want to, right by the parting space. The T part isn't like a straight T part. It does give you room to customize right here. And yeah, comes with the adjustable straps, two combs in the front, a comb in the back, usual cap construction. And what I love about this unit, let me go ahead and put her on so you can see exactly how she fits. I want to start off with just this one color because it's something like a universal color that looks good on everybody. And look at that. This is what I love about this style. It's perfection. It may come off shiny on camera. It's really not that shiny. It's just I have my ring light. It reflects a lot of light off items. Even me, I look hecka lighter than what I am right now. I may have to adjust the color. But look at that. It's perfect. It's a nice density and there's no tangling whatsoever. Like, it's a lot of synthetic wigs, they add too much hair, or the hair is thick too much down to the ends, so it causes tangling. But this one is perfect with the density on the ends. And I'm constantly running my fingers through it. When I purchased it, I was like, this is perfect. Like, I'm just running my fingers through it. No tangling. No tangling. Look at that. Even when it snags a little in the back, your finger just runs right through it. This wig is going to last so long. It's a T-part wig, so it's easy to just throw on. You really don't have to customize it. If you want to lay it down, you can definitely do that. It is ear to ear. I would not say this is too much big head friendly, but being as a T-part wig and you don't have to customize it, it really doesn't matter. So if you have a larger head, just customize the front. The next style of wig, this is Tasia, and just mindful, these are the lengths on these 2 units are it's like a brown color. It's like a medium brown. So yeah, so this is with Tasia. She's a current style, the crimp. Everybody loves the crimp styles right now. Again, T-parts has that room for customization in the front. Nice amount of parting space. I'm gonna say it's like 5 or 6 inches of parting. That's for both of the wigs that I just mentioned. This comes in a 1B. Same cap construction, adjustable straps, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It does come with baby hairs, just so you know. I don't think Cece comes with baby hairs, but if you watch my channel frequently, I always add my own baby hairs. I don't have these straps adjusted and it fits really well. There is room, so definitely can fit larger head sizes. This is her to the front. Again, natural density. You don't see the tracks in the back. She's about as long as Miss Cece is. So Tasia and Miss Cece, very similar. This is a 1B. And what I love about the crimp style is that you can comb this out and it just gets fluffy and pretty. And then you can add some mousse to tame her back down to this. Of course, with synthetic wigs, you can definitely wash and reuse. The style is, the thing about synthetic wigs that I love is that you don't have to style it. With the, you know, the crimping it and all that. The style is basically cemented in the wig. So how it's styled, that's how it is. You wash it until you change it again with heat. These wigs are heat safe, so if you would like to straighten her out or add a different curl pattern, definitely can do that. Oh, I love this wig. I can't wait to wear her. I haven't worn her yet. I've just been waiting before I do this video, before I start wearing the wigs, but I'm so excited. Now my next two styles you're gonna love. If you love to customize your wigs, definitely be able to do that with these. 1 second. The first style is called Jada. Now I did kind of brush her out because I wanted to put her on my mannequin to take pictures. This is my personal sample, but the special thing about these is that it's a 13 by 7. Yes, 13 by 7 and an actual 13 by 7. It's not the outre sensational whatever 13 by 7 Bobby Boss where it's just in the center and then it tapers out on the sides. This is a full 13 by 7 frontal. You can customize her. You can put her in a ponytail. It comes with baby hairs. The knots are so small that you can pluck her. The lace is so soft. I wouldn't say it's HD lace, but it is definitely the soft Swiss lace. This is a really long, nice unit. Light, very light yaki texture. That goes for all the wigs except for maybe Tasia. She's more on the silky side, but definitely not the Barbie doll hair silky, you know. So light yaki, not light yaki. Oh my god, I always say light yaki for this. Definitely not silky, but it's not a yaki texture. It mimics really nice natural afro texture hair pressed out, like a nice pressed out. Yes. So this cap construction, it comes with the comb, 2 combs behind the frontal, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. It also comes with another adjustable strap inside that is elastic band, but it has the adjustable band. And if you don't want to wear her, you can just unhook her. If you do like it, you can hook her back. That's the really good thing. So this is gonna fit all head sizes, small to large. So let me go ahead and apply her. This is how the curl pattern looks. I haven't worn her yet. Don't want to really disrupt the curls too much. Like I said, I've already combed her out, but like I said, the synthetic hair is like the curl pattern is cemented. So you definitely the curls will bounce back, you know. So I don't have a comb down here, which sucks, but let me see. This is the parting in the middle. You can go all the way back like that, or you can part her on each side. The hair is so soft, like it doesn't like tingle or anything. You can part her on the side. This is how she looks to the back. Long, nice long, like, but you can definitely part her in the middle, do some styles. It's not secured, but like I said, it's parted all the way to the side. Like you can wear this like an actual synthetic unit. I mean, like an actual human hair unit. Put her up in a bun or a top half pony down. Like this unit definitely is very versatile and she's really pretty. This is a great holiday hair. We know the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, if you have a nice birthday coming up, definitely. And it's not frizzing. Like, that's the whole thing. I'm so shocked about the quality. Like, it's not frizzing. You will get some tangling with this unit, but it's not bad. Like, it's not bad at all. Look, I just toss all this hair around and my fingers are going through it. Girl, copy this, okay? And last but not least, this is actually my favorite. This is the Style Keisha. She's my favorite, and I will actually be installing this one for you guys on camera. But I wanted to show you guys before I did any customization to her. This is Miss Keisha. Again, pre-plucked hairline. Of course, I'm going to go in and do a little bit more customization, small knots, 13 by 7, true 13 by 7 parting space, comb in the back, 2 combs in the front right behind the lace parting with an adjustable, they have the adjustable straps and then an additional band inside. What I loved is like when I flipped it over, I fell in love. Like, oh my god, look at that. It comes with baby hairs too. Okay, I'm actually going to make them available for purchase on the 25th. Available on the 25th of September for purchase. Again, they're limited quantity, so grab yours while you can because there won't be any available once they're all gone. I will be restocking them if they sell well, but definitely go ahead and cop yours. Yeah, anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. You can also go to my website and just check it out. Link will be in the description box. You can follow my business page on Instagram and Facebook. You can also follow my personal blog page on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you so much in advance if you're planning on supporting me. Really appreciate it. Have a great day.